guys, just finished checking out. Man, they have some really cool stones here. Coffee spot. Let me see. I think I lost Paul.
I'm hoping so.
Oh, I was just looking for you. I appreciate it.
You get a pin anyway?
What's that?
Pin?
Yeah, it's over here on the side. I'll show you.
Okay, cool. So there's the same as well. I don't know if you need it.
Oh, okay. No, I think I'm probably good.
Passing through, I was like, okay.
Yeah, here you go. This little bag right here. On the corner, right here. Yeah.
But when are you coming to smell on new fragrances?
Alright guys, so here's the falafel. Gonna take a bite. Yeah, I like it. How's it going? Sorry about that. Hey, Jacob here, and you can hear the music in the background. I found some food, got some falafel. It's actually vegan, really delicious. Fire. You definitely should be here if you're not here. Yeah.
Sitting there waiting for customers to come.
But think about it, like, who could be out here? Let's see what we got here, guys. Hey, how y'all doing?
How are you guys doing today?
Oh, doing great.
Good. So we have our selection of enchanted features and items.
Oh, cool.
Which ties with
Hey, you I don't know if it's considered, because for America, no. It's considered,
in America, this calls as a
we just call it shawarma.
shawarma. So yes, it is.
Oh, cool. Oh, okay. So y'all call it roti?
Yes, but it's usually accompanied with Indian dishes and curries.
Oh, okay.
You see, yes. So our selections that we have, like I said, our enchanted items and crystals, and each crystal ties into each design, as well as a birth certificate for each item. This is our chakra box, alignment with each chakra, and
nice.
birth certificate. We also have available options for customized designs.
Oh, cool.
To each person. We have our business cards there. And it's just about submitting the live one as well.
There you go, guys. Crystal squids. You have any social media handles?
No, not at the moment. We are setting it up. This is our first test run.
Oh, okay, cool.
But as for next time, we will definitely have our social media platforms and everything like that up running.
Oh, okay, perfect. Let's see.
I love the tattoos.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, I'm busy building mine.
Yeah, I just got this one Thursday.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah. So now I want to finish doing this side with binary too.
That's really cool. So can I ask, where are you from?
Texas.
Texas.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
That's really cool. So what do you think about South Africa?
I love it here, man. It looks here. It looks just like Texas.
Yeah,
You couldn't tell the difference.
that's crazy.
If everyone here would just speak English or Spanish,
Yeah.
I would feel like I'm in Texas.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
That's really
No, ma'am. I moved here.
So you live here?
hmm
That's really
I've been here 7 months now.
7 months.
Yeah, it's a.
My family's in
Oh, what part are they in?
well, Texas, Galveston, Chicago,
Ooh,
Denver.
too cold for me. Too cold.
Freezing,
Yeah.
freezing. And the weather. You know, you get stuck back in hours one thing. Chicago, it's fine.
For one,
Yeah, I have family in Chicago, and I will never go visit them. Because when they told me the wind is so strong, it just cuts through your clothes. I was like, no, I'm good with that.
and your mom. That is so cool. That is cool.
Can I ask you, is that a hamburger?
Yeah. 'Cause like Las Vegas, I like because of the food.
Sorry?
Excuse me. So like I like Las Vegas because of the food,
How cool is that?
but I can tell people I wouldn't want to live there.
No.
And I think if I was to live back in the U.S., I would live in Arizona. It's one of the most beautiful places. Yeah, I love it there. But Chicago, no.
That is so
You couldn't pay me to live.
My cousin worked at the First Trade Bank.
Uh-huh.
Right on anything to do with my chicken. You know? And I was doing for us to like to do. But no, we don't. There was nothing appealing of it, it was just commercial.
Yeah. Because what I tell people, I'm like Johannesburg is a vibe. There's energy here. There's
Different cultures, different energies.
yeah.
You get in the car there behind us. I'm from Africa, and they look at you with pity. You know?
Yeah. I'm like here, you can go 30 minutes and you're in a complete different energy.
Totally.
Won't even realize you're still like in Joburg.
Totally.
So that's what I love about it here.
Yeah, no, we live in a lovely country.
Let's see.
My God. Can I ask, do you post your videos?
Yes, it's going on YouTube.
It's going on YouTube.
Yeah,
Can
so you'll be on there.
Please, I'd love that. I'm a real big fan of meeting people.
That's real quick. Quit that. Here we go, right here. Jason Cheney. Appreciate it. And then I'll be in there, and at the end of, I'm not gonna post your WhatsApp number.
No, don't
Yeah.
worry about anything like that.
Oh,
That's
okay.
100%.
Oh, okay. But once you get get your social media set up, just shoot me a message on the channel, then I'll tag all of it in the video for you.
I appreciate
Yeah.
that, and maybe in the future we can do some support and collaboration and sponsor.
Oh, you're already doing collaborations. Let me film.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Let me see. That one's a clean.
Have a good day.
Let's
Bye, guys.
see.
Have a lovely day.
Is it cash only or do you take tap?
Unfortunately, at the moment we are doing only cash only because this is our experiment.
Yeah, let me see how much cash I have.
And then we also do larger scale boxes to fit your smaller miscellaneous crystals in. And it comes with a certificate, birth certificate if that's what you'd like to call it, with the kyanite crystal, the date it was born.
Or you can keep your little weed if you have.
Yeah, I'm looking at all over for mushrooms and weeds. So.
Well, if that is what you are interested in, you'll find a lovely man down there, closer to the wall.
Oh yeah, yeah. Trust and believe. I come prepared. Yeah, never leave home without it.
That's cool. That's
Yeah.
cool. That's cool. How much? Can I ask how much you bought that for?
You can get it at a China mall for I think 90 rand.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
I keep it old school.
yeah.
Yes.
But like if you get this time with this tip, if you get the long tip, it's not as good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's really cool.
And real cool smoke. You need to hit it?
No, the game is there.
Oh, okay.
That's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. Always next time.
So much cash I have.
Is this the one you're looking at?
Yeah, I was looking at that one. How much is that one?
Let's just have a look-see. This is 150.
Damn, I don't have that much. Which one? Do you have any that's about 100?
I think we have something smaller, but
Yeah.
the smaller ones come more of something like this.
She loves making
It's got a little crystal
Okay,
in there
cool.
and helps with vibrations. And then we have something more along like this as well. Okay, no, that's
Let's do.
This one is 100 rand. It's a little mushroom creature that will sit right on top of the crystal.
Perfect.
I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And then let me just grab a gift bag, please.
I can, of course I can.
Thank you so much.
Oh no, I appreciate it. It's
I
great
really
work,
appreciate it.
and I love the ones too.
Thank you so much. It's just gotta get creative these days.
Yeah, that's it, man.
The idea is to hopefully eventually expand